Hello everyone, Jose Chavez with Keller Williams here. We are at my latest listing here on 109 Allimore Court in West Roseville, wonderful community of Westpark in the west side of Roseville, California. This location is prime. We are in walking distance to the elementary schools, middle schools, and the brand new high school that will be released in 2020, not including all the bike trails and wonderful things this community has to offer. This home is 4 bedrooms, 3 baths with 3,042 square feet, has a bedroom and bath on the lower level. Let's go take a look inside and see what wonderful features it has. Okay, well that does it for this listing here at 109 Allimore Court. If you know of any buyers or anyone interested in a home like this or living in a great community like this, please reach out to me. All my information is listed below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.